Hi, I'm Katira Fahad, a second-year student at the University of Hawaii Kapiolani Community College. Earlier this morning, I had attended a meeting with Ron and Vivian, of which I found to be quite inspiring. They gave many useful tips on how you can improve your interviews and your speaking skills. One thing that they both had demonstrated together and had us participate in was the Superman stance. It helped ease your mind and calm your nerves. If that doesn't help, they offered the option of music, presenting us with a song from Eminem that was greatly appreciated, and I can definitely see myself using right before any interview I have next. Individually, though, I like the box breathing from Ron. It's useful to calm yourself and to help better prepare yourself. Vivian, on the other hand, gave great tips on how your attire, posture, and how you carry yourself can better improve your interview as well. For example, you may not show it, but having both feet flat on the floor can make a difference. I would recommend any student to take their class by asking their university to ask Ron and Vivian to present at their school.